Truth and consequences. Defense lawyers for convicted polo mogul John Goodman tonight insist they need to peel back the veil of secrecy in jury deliberations.
They are alleging that misconduct led to a miscarriage of justice in his DUI manslaughter case and conviction, and prosecutors agree, saying questions do need to be answered to settle a legal controversy that appears as though it will lead to demands for a new trial. News Channel 5's Rochelle Ritchie's live at the Palm Beach County Courthouse with today's court face-off. Rochelle.
Michael and Kelly, according to our legal analysts, it could mean another trial. Tonight, the state and defense agreeing the jurors should be questioned.
Circuit Judge Jeffrey Colbath says he will make a ruling at the end of the week on whether jurors in the Goodman case should be questioned by lawyers on both sides following allegations of jury misconduct.
If the court permits jury interviews of the jury who heard the case as well as the alternate jurors, and the court hears that there may have been jury misconduct, that they may have discussed things that were improper, discussed Goodman's wealth, made a decision beforehand about his guilt, then certainly the court could grant a new trial.
In a 77-page document, John Goodman's attorneys say one juror alleges misconduct. That juror, a woman, said the jurors disobeyed the judge and talked about the case when they weren't supposed to, that they commented negatively about Goodman's wealth. Prosecutors and defense counsel agree the jurors need to be questioned. Assistant State Attorney Sherry Collins.
I don't know, maybe they were taken out of context. I have no idea what it was going on in any eight of the jurors' heads.
Judge Colbath in court today saying he will research the case law pertaining to jury misconduct, but says a definitive line must be crossed before sentences and verdicts are thrown out.
And so I want to get a firmer understanding of where that line is to be drawn.
Goodman was convicted of DUI manslaughter and vehicular homicide in the death of 23-year-old Scott Wilson. The jury concluded he was driving drunk when his Bentley slammed into Wilson's car in February of 2010.
If the court permits jury interviews, it will be of the 6 jurors as well as at least one of the alternate jurors who sat through the entire trial but didn't deliberate.
If Judge Colbath decides to allow questioning of the jurors, it will be done one at a time.
And Judge Colbath will make his decision on Friday. Now, depending on what lawyers hear from jurors, our legal analysts say the defense could push for a new trial. As it stands now, Goodman is set to be sentenced on April 30th. He faces up to 30 years in prison. Live in West Palm Beach, Rochelle Ritchie, WPTV News Channel 5.